Today I'll start how to find the sum of array elements. First, I will open the editor gedit a.c. Then it will open the editor. Then I will type the program as include stdio.h, then int main. First thing I want to say, what is array? Array is a collection of same type item. Array is a named location to the memory and which hold different items with same data types. So now I will declare the array. How to declare array? arr 5. This is the array declaration. Clear? Then I will take the variable I, then sum. Initially I will store the value sum is equal to 0. Then first I will be here define the array size. Suppose hash define max is equal to suppose 50. This is called macro. And here I will take the max. Then I will take the another variable is called n or size. Then printf enter array size. Then scanf percentage d ampersand size. Then I will take the input. Then printf enter percentage d number of values. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than size. Then I plus plus. Okay, then what I will do? Now take the input scanf percentage s ampersand what? Now arr of I. It will take the array value. Then I want to find the sum of array elements. Then what will write? The same loop I will again write. I is equal to 0, I less than size, I plus plus. Then what? Sum is equal to sum plus arrfi. Then bracket close. Then I will declare what are the sum of the elements. Printf the sum of array element is percentage d slash n, then sum. Then I will close the bracket, then save it, then close it, then compile. gcc a.c. Then will display the error. Why will display the error? Now I am not given the value here. Enter the number of value means size will be right. Then save, compile. Then it will display the percentage s is not needed. We will write the percentage d. Then close. Then compile. Okay. Then /@ then enter the array size. So I have entered 5. The value 27, 57, 89, 26, 11. And it will display the sum of array elements is 2010. Okay, then clear what is array? Array means it is a collection of same type elements, and it is mainly named location to the memory. That means it will take the space in the memory, and it is a collection of homogeneous value. And array next chapter will be learned what is the pointer. Okay, bye. If you are liking this program, please subscribe my JavaTech 123 YouTube technical channel. If you subscribe this, then you will get the new video every day. Okay, bye.